Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar and today in this video I am going to explain you about C# delegates. So let's go to our topic. What is delegate? Delegate is a type. It is like classes or interfaces. Delegates are used for calling the methods and also it is used for passing the method as a parameter. So by using delegates we can call the method or we can pass the method as a parameter. Delegates are like function pointers of C++. Delegates are used for creating callback functions. Delegates are mostly used in event-driven programming, link queries, asynchronous programming, etc. Now we'll discuss about the syntax of the delegate. So delegates are declared by using the keyword delegate. First in the syntax modifier will come, then the delegate keyword will come. After that the return type will come, and after that name of the delegate will come, like del1, del2 or any custom name which we want to give to the delegate. Then parameter list will come in the brackets. So the delegate will have exactly same signature as that of the method which we are going to call by using the delegate. Here you can see I have declared one delegate. Name of the delegate is del1. First I have used modifier, that is public. After that delegate keyword I have used here. After that return type, and after that name of the delegate, that is del1 I have given, and this del1 is having two parameters of type integer. So this delegate will be used for calling the method which will have the same signature, means which is having the void return type and which is having two input parameters of type integers. Here signature includes method return type. So return type is included here, unlike the method overloading and method overriding. In case of method overloading or overriding, signature is only the number of parameters, order of parameter and type of parameter. But here return type is also included in the signature in case of the delegate. Now we will discuss the initialization of the delegate. So before initializing, I will declare the delegate. So here you can see that I am having del1. Here I have declared this delegate by using public modifier, then I have used delegate keyword, then integer is the return type and del1 is the name of the delegate, and int a and b is the parameters of the del1 delegate. So this delegate will be used for calling the method which is having the same signature, like integer return type and two parameters of type integer. Here after declaration of the delegate, we need to initialize this delegate. Initialization means we need to create the object of the delegate. So here I am creating the object del1 d is the object equals to new del1, and here I am adding the name of the method which we want to call by using this del1. Or we can initialize like this, del1 d equals to add, means directly assigning the name of the method to the object. So this is the initialization, and here you can see that I have created one method add which is having return type integer, and it is having two parameters a and b of type int, which is here in the body added, and the addition of the two numbers is returned back. So this add method we can call by using this delegate object. Now I will show you calling a method using the delegate. So here we have initialized the delegate object d. Now we want to call this add method by using this delegate object. So you can see that here I am calling this method by using the delegate object, and I am directly writing d, and in bracket I am giving the required parameters, that is two integer parameter. I have given 10 and 20. So when I will write this, it will call the method add and it will return the addition of the two number. Or what we can do here is we can use the object of the delegate, and after that we will write dot and we'll use the invoke method and we'll pass the required parameters. So these both methods are correct for calling the method using the delegate. The other type of delegate is multicast delegate. So the multicast delegate is a delegate which by using which we can call more than one method. So if a delegate is used for calling more than one method, we call it as multicast delegate, registering two methods with one delegate. So we'll see here how to register two methods. In the previous example, we have seen one method only, that is addition, and we were calling it by using the delegate. So here you can see that I have add method and I have subtract method, both having the same signature. So here we will now register two methods with one delegate. So you can see that I am initializing this d. This is the object of del1. delegate. Here I am initializing del1 object and name of the I'm initializing del1 delegate, and I'm creating the instance. Name of the instance is D, and I'm assigning first method, that is add, to this delegate object. And after that, for adding second method, we need to use D plus equal to and name of the method. So this delegate object can be used to call both the method add and subtract. So when I will write D and in bracket 10 comma 20 semicolon, it will call add method then subtract method. So this is the multicast delegate. And one more thing in this is that multicast delegate is not good for calling the method which returns the values. So today we have covered C# delegates in this video, and in our next video will be delegates with example in Visual Studio. So I will explain you with example in the Visual Studio. My playlist link is given in the description, and I also have given the handle link here. You can go to www.youtube.com/@developerstube. So you can find number of C# related videos. At last, I want to say that thank you. Bye.